A to Z.
A to Z words. A for Arjuna, B for Balrama, C for Chanakya, D for Dhruva, E for Eklavya, F for Four Vedas, G for Gayatri Mata, H for Hanuman, I for Indra, J for Jatayu, K for Krishna, L for Lavakusha, M for Markandeya, N for Narada, O for Omkara, P for Prahalada, Q for Queen Gandhari, R for Radha, S for Surya, T for Tulasi Mata, U for Uddhava, V for Vamanavata, W for Water Ganga, X for Chirabdi, Y for Yashoda, Z for Zamanavanta.
Thank you.
Thank you.